Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about social media addiction. In this video, I will split into four parts: signs of social media addiction, reason why you are social media addiction, how to overcome social media addiction, what happen if you quit social media. Okay, let's see 6 signs of social media addiction. You are on your mobile in morning. Most of the teenagers are using their mobile in the first thing in the morning, so that the most of the productive time is in the morning only. They spend a lot of in the morning productivity and they destroy their life. Constantly checking your phone. Everyone frequently just checking their phone every 10 minutes. If you are checking your phone 10 minutes interval, so you are in addiction to the social media. It's taking photo everywhere. Most of them taking selfie in the dangerous spot and everything. Even it's food also. Before you eating, you taking a selfie and posting in the social media action. Next, fourth one, likes for likes. For this, most of the people are looking for likes, more likes, so that they post a lot of photos. They are thinking how to post, how to caption. They're spending a lot of time in this social media for likes. Fifth point, you using your phone at midnight. Most of the people are constantly using their phone at midnight. Their sleep cycle was reducing drastically. So, okay, let's see about reason why you are addicted to social media. Okay, let's see. Mindless scrolling. Most of the people, they don't know what to do, so they feel boredom and they scrolling social media countless and they spend a lot of time. And the app also developed for this one purpose only. Second one, dopamine. Dopamine is an happy pleasure in our mind. So in this dopamine situation, if you read a book also, it will produce a dopamine, but it produces in low amount. If you use social media, it will increase 10% of dopamine production, so that most of the people are addicted to dopamine. Final one, human psychology. Most of the social media applications have own psychology section. In this section, most of the people, psychology researchers are research how to addict people in this social media platform. For example, YouTubers. If you watching a video in a YouTube, there are countless of recommendation are there. Before, if you complete this video, you will see lot of recommendation in below, so that you will complete that previous video and click next, so that you will spend enormous time in this social media platform. Third, how to overcome your social media addiction. First, track the social media usage. You must track the social media usage, so that you will know how much time you are spending in the social media. There are plenty of apps, US time, screen time, etc. Use this app to calculate your tracking time. Second, set a timer. Timer for social media. Set a timer for social media app. For example, if you allot a time for 6:30 am, so that you will know you will use the social media in this particular time only. Next, keep your phone out of your sight while working. Most of the people are keep their phone in the study area, so that if you work constantly, if the notification is popped, you will suddenly distract. It will decrease your concentration ability, so that keep your phone outside of the track. Disable the notification. Use environment psychology. Our human brain is capable to do only an easy task, so that we need to difficult the bad habits into an hardened area, so that you need to use this environment. So, for example, if you delete all Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and use your website, so that it will difficult to access it. So you are quite reducing your social media usage time. Next, dopamine detoxing. So that you need to on 30 days of quit social media for 30 days. In, for beginners it will be so hard, so you try one day detoxify. Okay, what happen if you quit social media? Your self-esteem will be high and you have a lot of motivation, so that you can achieve whatever you think. Second, improve your social communication. For most of the people are chatting, they don't know how to communicate in real world. So if you quit social media, you can able to communicate to the people. You have lot of time. If you quit, there are lot of time in the social media. If you quit, there is plenty of time. You can read or exercise, or you can eat healthy. You can learn everything in this time. Fourth one, you can concentrate for a long time. There is no distraction around you, so that you can concentrate anytime, any